Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video I will show you how to change your Instagram password without the old password. Yes, friend, if you don't remember your Instagram password, then don't worry. Follow each step with me carefully. If you are new to this channel, please consider liking and subscribing to the video. Without further ado, let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, you have to know that whenever you created your Instagram account, that password might have been saved in Google Password Manager. So, first, you should check whether your password is saved in Google Password Manager or not. To check this, I am giving a link to a video in the I button and the video description. First, go watch that video and check your password. After that, continue from this video. I think you have now checked your password, so let's move ahead in the video. First of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile and then click on your profile icon, which is right below. Right on your profile page, click on this menu bar, go ahead and click on Account Center. On this page, scroll a little bit and stop at Passwords and Security, then click on it. You can see the option to change passwords showing, so click on it. Here I have only a single account, but if you have multiple accounts, then choose the account for which you want to change the password. Click on it and go ahead. If you know your old password or have found it out from your Google Password Manager, then just enter it here and create a new password. Then enter the same password in the third box and click on Change Password. Then your password will be changed. But if you do not remember your password, then you will have to click on Forgot Your Password. After this, a mail will come to your Gmail from which you will be able to recover the password. However, I have noticed that many people do not add their email ID to their account. So, let's first add the email ID. Go back to your profile and again click on this menu bar. Go ahead and click on Account Center, scroll a little bit, stop at the Account Settings section, and then click on Personal Details. Now, if your Gmail is already added to your account, you can see it in the Contact Info section, so you do not need to add Gmail. But if your Gmail is not showing in the Contact Info section, then you have to add a Gmail to your Instagram account. My Gmail is already added, but I am showing it again for you as a demo. So to add this, click on Contact Info, and then at the bottom, click on Add a New Contact. Here, on this pop-up page, click on Add an Email, and then enter your email, or you can also say it Gmail. Both are the same thing. Just enter it, and if you have multiple accounts, then tick the account to which you want to add this email, and then simply click the Next button. You will receive a code in the email that you entered here, so go and copy that code from there and paste it here. I know you can do it. This is not rocket science. I think you have now added your email ID, so go back to your profile. Now, again click on this menu bar, then click on Account Center and scroll down a little bit. Click on Password and Security. On this page, click on Change Password and then choose your account. If you have multiple accounts, choose that account which you want to change the password. Go ahead and click on Forgot Your Password. Now, you can see that an email has been sent to your Gmail. Minimize this and go to your mobile home screen. One thing I want to tell you is that this process will only work if you have downloaded the Instagram Lite application. If you have not downloaded it, you need to download it first. So, open the Play Store or App Store according to your device type, search for Instagram Lite in the search bar, and then just click on Install. If you have already downloaded it, just update it. Then click the Open button and wait until the Instagram Lite application opens. After this, minimize it and then go back from here and open the Gmail application on your mobile. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, click on this profile icon and select the Gmail account that you added earlier in your Instagram. I think you have now selected your Gmail. Refresh here if you haven't received the mail yet, and then click on the latest mail and go inside. Here, you can see Reset Password written, so just click on this. Then you will automatically land on the Change Password page. Now create a new strong password in the first box and enter the same password in the second box again. After creating a new password, just tap on Done in the upper right corner, wait here for a few seconds until it loads, and then click on the Save option on this pop-up page. All steps have been completed. Now, to confirm whether your password has been changed or not, open your Gmail application, and here you can see that this confirmation email has arrived stating that your Instagram password has been changed successfully. This is how anyone can change their Instagram password without the old password. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any remaining queries, please let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, my friends.